Hello there. Welcome to my channel TSF5. Today we will learn 3D walk animation with AI. This is an online tool with AI features. You can create new project or open project. You can import reference image file to draw. Trust me, this tool is super fast for practicing 3D animation. If you like my videos, please share and subscribe. It's your choice, if you want to draw on it or you can hide the reference. Save or export your animation in .obj or .glb file. I won't be using any reference for now. We will make quick drawing. Click on this button, Draw. I will try to draw quick circle as body. Delete by clicking on delete icon, if you don't like. Here I will make legs and double click on it. It will automatically create 2 legs. Now click on this button inflate. It will convert 2D to 3D shape. Cool. We will animate these legs now. Click on animate button. It will automatically adjust to side view. We will now add anchor points. Click on body to create one. Here I have added 3 anchor points. After adding anchor points, now start recording by clicking on circle icon. It will turn red. Move the anchor point like this, it will be automatically recorded. Select other leg anchor point and do the same. If you think you did wrong, you can delete the recording. Here walk cycle is not accurate. I will select anchor points and delete it. Let me try one more time. Wonderful. Now you can export your animation. Try visiting monstermash.zone. It works both on PC and mobile. If you like my work, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.